Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create a Bybit account. Bybit account is used for trading cryptocurrencies, allowing users to buy and sell assets, engage in leverage trading, access advanced market analysis tools, manage their portfolio, and many more. Now, firstly, make sure you get the application. Now you will be led to this page, and at the downside you can see the option sign up. You need to tap on that. If you already have your account, you can tap on login now, but as we don't have our account, we need to tap on sign up. Now there are a few ways to create your Bybit account. That is using your email, your mobile number, or at the downside you can see Google or Apple ID sign up. For this video we will go for email. Now here you need to create yourself a password. After that you can simply tap on sign up. Now a verification code will be sent to your mailbox. Make sure to go there and check it. And now you can see that your Bybit account has been created. And this is how to create your Bybit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.